Welcome to the Support Center. My name is Tom. We're going to look at the group profile. Now, the group profile is an area of the site that only your site admin or your super or your top level admin has access to. So only one person can be assigned this role, and it would be your site administrator. So I'm on my admin site. I'm going to go ahead and log in using my site admin credentials. And there's a couple different ways to get to the group profile. If I scroll down here on my admin homepage, I will see my group profile and some of the settings here, and I can click on Edit. That takes me to my group profile. I can also go to Settings, and then it defaults to group profile right here. So I can tell that I'm logged in as the site admin who has access to this page, because only the site admin can actually access this page. If I were to, let's see, show you the admins here. So I'm going to log in as Fred Rogers. Now, Fred is an admin with permissions to everywhere on the site, except there is no way to give him access to this group profile page. And I'll show you what I mean. So I'm going to go ahead and log out, and I'm going to go ahead and log back in as Fred. Now I'm logged in as Fred, and like I said, he has access to everywhere on the site except the group profile. So if I scroll down here and hit Edit for the profile, you'll see that Fred does not have permission. There's a couple different things you can do here if you are supposed to be the site admin and you don't have access to that. I'm going to log out and log back in as the site admin. And the first thing is to come to your users and make sure that you are set up as a site admin. And if you are, and maybe you have created an additional admin account for yourself, I would go ahead and delete your sub-admin account and make sure you're just logging in as the primary admin. That's probably the most common thing I see, where the site admin actually has two administrator accounts. They have one as a site admin, one as a sub-admin. I would just delete the sub-admin account and log in as the site admin. But like I said, if you're supposed to be the site admin, if for some reason you can't get in, go ahead and reach out to us. We will assist you with that. But some of the things that you can do on this group profile page, I'll go back over to that. So there we are. So the primary thing here would be your group name. This is where you set your group name. This is what shows up in emails that you receive from your site. In a few different places, this shows up your group name. The rest of this stuff is pretty straightforward. The address, this is something that only we use. And it's very rare that we'd ever contact you via your address. So in reality, it's not all that important. This is accurate. The city and state is pretty important because that's where you will be found on the Homeschool-Life or Service Life marketing website, is based on your city and state. If I scroll down here, this is where you set your overall time zone for your group, where you would put in your site admin's name, and this would be you most likely, unless you're giving this role to somebody else. Your website administrator's email address is set right here. This is where a lot of the emails come from your site or from this website administrator. Billing email, this is where we send your annual email invoice, will come to this address. Registration notification email, this is when new people sign up for your group. This is where the email is sent. If you have your own domain name, you would put it in here, and this is where you set your admin username and password. Again, if you're having problems accessing this page, please reach out to us. You can send us an email or you can reach us through the link on your admin homepage. Simply click on Create Ticket.